Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and it's so nice to be able to have fresh herbs in your kitchen. So I thought it was so much fun to try this Modern Sprout glass jar garden set. I got the basil and mint set, and it was just a lot of fun putting it together. That tell you to put the gravel, the coconut husk soil, then the seeds to water it. Then it has a carbon soil that you can sprinkle over it to help minimize mold growth. And then you just fill it up to the 2-cup mark, close it, put it by a windowsill where there's light. Make sure there is a lot of light because I did put it in a sill that there just wasn't enough light and the mint actually suffered a little bit. So I'm gonna try and get that going another time. But as long as you follow the instructions, give it some time, and you start getting little sprouts that come up. I think you are absolutely going to love it because not only is it useful, but it looks beautiful to boot. And that's my point of view.